Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a very simple and delicious gbegiri. Gbegiri is a Yoruba soup that is part of the abula trinity. This soup is made with beans, palm oil and other ingredients. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 1 cup of brown beans. You can use black eyed peas or any beans of your choice. I'm going to soak it in water for a few minutes, less than 5 minutes, until it gets soaked, and wash it. I have a video on how to peel beans. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. You can check it out later. It is very easy to peel off the skin of the beans. Once it is soaked, just rub against the skin, it's gonna come off, or you could rub the beans in between your palms and the skin will come off. So the beans is clean. This is how it's supposed to look like. Once in a while, when I'm done washing the beans and I'm not ready to cook it, I like to soak the beans a bit to reduce the cooking time. When it is time to cook the beans, I'm gonna pour some water into a pan, then add the beans. Make sure you have enough water. I'm just gonna cover it and let it cook till it is done. If this is your first time on my channel or you are a returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video. Thank you. So when the beans is done, instead of cooling it down, blending the beans before adding the oil, I like to add the oil first and cook it for about 10 more minutes so that the oil gets cooked. And you don't have to use a lot of palm oil, a little goes a long way. So I'm just gonna cover it and let it cook. After 10 minutes, it is time to add the other ingredients. I'm gonna start by adding half a seasoning cube. Beans does not require a lot of ingredients to taste good. Add in some salt. Remember, I did not add any salt at the beginning. I'm also gonna add in some crayfish, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Then some dried pepper. Add pepper to your taste. You can also add more ingredients if it's gonna be eaten by itself. So I'm just gonna stir it, cover it and let it cook down some more so that it will give the food time to develop a very intense, delicious flavor. So this is what it looks like after 30 minutes. The beans have started breaking down. It is very thick. See? So it's gonna be very easy to blend. So I'm just gonna add some meat stock. You can add water so that it will be very easy to blend. So this is how I blend it. I'm just gonna use the hand blender to blend it like this. This is one of the reasons why I cook my gbegiri this way. Firstly, it develops flavor when you cook it this way, and secondly, you don't have to transfer it into a blender to blend it. You just blend it straight in the pot and your gbegiri is delicious and ready in no time. As I am even blending the beans, the gbegiri is cooking, so this saves a lot of time. So when you are blending and the gbegiri looks very thick, continue to add water until you reach your desired consistency. So let me use this time to send a very special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. You can also follow me on other social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and TikTok. And don't forget to check out my website too. Thank you. So if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, and if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you so much. For the gbegiri recipe, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. and other related Gbegiri recipes. You can check them out later. Like I said earlier, if it is too thick, continue to add water until you reach your desired consistency. Once the beans is properly blended and you have reached your desired consistency, you don't have to cook it too long because it has been cooking while you were blending it. In fact, everything is done, the soup is ready, so you can just cook it for maybe 1 to 2 minutes. That's it, your Gbegiri is ready. Is this not an easier and straightforward way to make your Gbegiri? Even a beginner will find it very easy to make. This is Gbegiri for you. It is very smooth, very delicious, and it is ready to meet the ewedu and the stew. So my good friends, whenever you want to make your Gbegiri, why don't you give this recipe a try? I promise you, you will not be disappointed. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.